I'm going to show you exactly how you could add $100,000 in revenue to your online B2B company in 2025, leveraging just YouTube. This exact YouTube strategy can add a significant amount of revenue. The videos don't even have to get over 300 views, and it takes less than 1 hour to create each video. It's the exact same system dozens of businesses online are using to double their lead flow. It's the exact same system myself and our partners have used to collect $100,000 in cash from YouTube in the past 4 months alone. I'm going to cover the 5-step strategy in this video. Every single part matters. Watch till the end to see exactly how you could add $100,000 in 2025 leveraging a very, very small YouTube video. I guarantee this will work for you if you follow a few of these steps. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to get into the 5-step system you could use to add $100,000 to your online B2B company. This works for plenty of niches. I guarantee this will work for you. YouTube is a massive place, which I'm about to get into. We have specifically collected data, so we know this works for the specific business models. Ads agencies, SMMA, AI agencies, especially go high-level agencies, appointment setting, growth operating, and even some coaches as well. This stuff works really well if you are in these categories. If you're not, don't worry. I guarantee YouTube is a place for you. As you can see, we've collected $100,000 in 4 months for a bunch of our clients. And you don't have to have a big following. Like you can see here, Armand, 25K, 400 subscribers, people booking in sales calls with 140 subscribers. So we've done a lot in terms of results. So let's get into the math of adding 100K on YouTube. All right. So let's say you're selling a $5,000 service. To hit 100K, you need 20 sales. All right. The leads needed to get 20 sales is 400. If we go on this average 5% landing conversion rate, I'm going to go into a better example in a second here with actual data from my company. Clicks needed to get 400 leads is about 8,000 clicks if we have a 5% click-through rate on your landing page link. So you need 8,000 links to add an additional $100,000 in revenue if you have a $5,000 service. Now, there's so many variables and stuff like this. And if you think 8,000 clicks on your landing page is a lot, that is 22 clicks a day. And trust me, you can hit this. There are 2 billion people on YouTube. If you put 22 grains of rice next to 2 billion grains of rice, you will see how infinitesimally small 22 people is compared to 2 billion. Now, 2 billion is not your whole market. I get that, but I guarantee you could pull 22 clicks a day on your landing page from YouTube. All right, so let's go into a better example with my actual data, some data from me. All right, so let's say I'm selling a $5,000 service. I need 20 sales to hit that same 100K goal for next year. Now, we have a landing page. This is not typical. All right, this is not, I'm selling something in typical. I just want to inflate the numbers to show you how crazy this gets. It had a good amount of people go through it, convert at 51%, right? To get 20 sales at a 51% landing page, I need 39 leads. All right, to get 39 leads, I need 780 clicks on my landing page. That means 2 people have to click on my landing page from YouTube every single day. That is it. That is it. All right, so if you have a really good landing page and stuff that we talk about in another video, you could absolutely crush it with these numbers. The one I showed above are just sort of realistic numbers that you can shoot for. But if you have a good landing page and a good offer, guys, this will absolutely crush for you. I guarantee it. All right, now, I'm going to show you why YouTube is king and why you should drop every other social media platform. Not drop it, meaning delete your profiles, but meaning go heavier on YouTube, guys. One, it's evergreen. I have videos from last year that are still making me money. It's insane. X posts, LinkedIn posts, Twitter posts, whatever you want to call it, they die very quickly. Short form dies insanely quickly, unless you go mega viral, which how often does that happen, right? 2, your dream clients, I guarantee you, are there. Again, 2 billion people. I think it's the second biggest or biggest social platform in the world. I guarantee people that want to buy from you are there. Long form is infinitely better than short form, and the people that come with it, long form is better. Like, have you ever gone to the Instagram search bar and looked for what you want to learn? You never do that. No one does that. They go to YouTube and they search for a question. That's when you pop up, they watch you, and then they buy from you, which we'll get into in a second, like the whole strategy behind it. You could use YouTube videos as an asset. You could put YouTube videos in your email nurturing, in cold email. You can put them on the landing pages. You can send them as testimonials and case studies. You can do so many things with YouTube videos. It's absolutely insane. Anti-brain rot audience. I really like dealing with people that have money and that have attention. If I'm on short form and the people that are on short form are most likely brain rot people, no offense, I don't want to deal with them. I don't want to work with them. I want to work with people that have attention to actually watch a 15-minute YouTube video. That's what YouTube brings you. And finally, you do not need a big audience to make a lot of money. Seriously. Armand here, one of our clients, he has an AI agency, collected 25K in 2 months. That's it, 2 months. He has 400 subscribers, which is nothing, guys, which is nothing. We've seen people get calls, get clients with literally the first 2 videos. So it does not take a lot to make a lot of money. Trust me, right? YouTube also solves a fundamental concept of content, right? Content, we post it because we want to get views and we want to get clients out of those views, all right? So if someone watches a lot of your content, it's a high likelihood they become a client, all right? YouTube is the most likely, most probable method that this can be accomplished by, all right? Is it easier for someone to watch 10 or 15 YouTube videos, just binge watch them 2 or 3 days? Or is it easier for someone to go through your whole short form platform and watch 500 to 1,000 of your reels or your TikToks? Guys, it's not going to happen on the short form platforms. The volume you need for one person to watch all that stuff is absolutely insane. On YouTube, literally they can sit down and watch 5 to 15 videos, be nurtured enough to buy, all right? So we're solving this concept here with YouTube because it's long form, because it works really well. Right now, all of these much work in harmony. Again, if you don't watch to the end, you will not get the whole strategy. All this stuff has to happen. We're going to go first over the most important step: painless posting, creating actual videos, like the strategy behind creating videos that convert, mentality to win, and finally, I got some free resources for you guys as well. All right, all this stuff is important. Right, the most important step, though, by far, seriously, by far, is dialing in who you want to see your videos. If you do not know who you want to see your videos, how could you expect them to see them? You have to post with the end goal in mind. All right, guys, this is literally a lot of people that come to us for help. They are completely just posting randomly. They don't know what they're doing, and they're taking the arrow and they're pointing it in the complete opposite way of the bullseye. They're not even pointing it in the right direction. So you need to know where you're aiming, who you're targeting for these videos to reach the intended viewer, and for those viewers to actually buy with you and come and become your clients. All right, you're almost worse off posting and attracting the wrong type of people than just posting nothing at all, right? Because it becomes a headache. If you're posting nothing, at least, okay, you're not posting. If you're posting the wrong stuff and you're bringing the wrong people, it's worse than just posting nothing at all, right? For a few reasons I'm about to get into. All right, so we're going to optimize for HQV, which is high quality views. 10K views is nothing without the sales to match. I don't want to be Mr. Beast. I don't get monetized off of AdSense. I don't make a lot of money that way. I make them by getting high quality views on my videos. All right. If you don't get high quality views on your videos, you'll have a CRM full of people that will never buy. It'll just be a mess of clutter. Calendar becomes filled with people that just waste your time. I'm sure you've been there, where people just hop on a call. They have no budget. They have no inclination of why they're there, and they just waste your time. Finally, it just takes your focus away from your core offer. All right. So if you're not getting quality views, you're just wasting your time. All right. So views don't matter. Views do not equal clients. All right. Now, here's how to attract HQV viewers. 1, define your ICP. 2, lay out their pain points. So what do they struggle with? 3, flip their pain points into content ideas, and then use relatable language, hooks, and stories in your. All right. I know the pain points of my audience, and I turn those pain points into content ideas. All right. When I make a content idea solving a pain point for the person I'm targeting, who do you think that video is going to reach? Who do you think is going to watch that video? The person I am targeting. All right. So you really have to understand who you are targeting. Nothing happens without this, because everything falls in place after you know who you're targeting. All right. That's why it's step number 1, the most important step. You could literally go and implement this, and it should give you some sales on your end if you just know and define who you are targeting. All right. Next, all right, to adding $100,000 to YouTube, you've decided your ICP and you've attracted high quality views. You have to enable painless posting. All right. This is also very, very important. Painless posting is very simple. All right. You can't get high quality views if you do not post. We have worked with dozens of clients, and the ones who add more revenue post more, right? Shocking. When you post, with us at least, you make more money. Every time I post, I make money. Every time our clients post, they make money. If you're posting, you're not making money, you're probably not solving point number 1. All right. So how do we enable painless posting? You have to build infrastructure and systems around posting. Systems, automations, AI, team accountability. This is our saying that we say for myself, for my clients. It is easy to post when posting is easy. It is easy to post on YouTube when posting on YouTube is easy. So make it easy for yourself. Don't just wing it every time. You have to have systems, automation, AI, and team accountability, right? This is what this looks like for our clients, right? For example, if you were to work with us, systems, you get a custom portal, and you also get automations in the custom portal. You'll literally get everything baked into one place. Automations taken care of, systems taken care of, everything like that. AI, we're using the greatest technology ever invented to do script writing. 2, we purpose videos and build leverage, take YouTube videos and turn them to other pieces of content. We're using our team, editing, thumbnails, content ideation, content research. All that is done by our team. And then accountability. If you can't post after all this, I will literally text you and say, hey, you have to post. All right. So this is how we're solving it for our clients and ourselves. You could do it in your own manner, or you can book a free roadmap call with me and see if this is applicable to you. But this is how we make posting easy. Again, it is easy to post when posting is easy. And posting is directly correlated to making money, attracting clients, attracting sales calls. All right. It's very important that you post frequently and you enable yourself to post by making it easy for yourself with all this stuff that I just covered right here. That's step number 2, guys. Super, super important. So now you define your ICP. Now you're cranking out videos. Now it's very easy. How do we actually create videos that convert? All right. So what is the actual way to post a video that converts? Let's get into that right now. Now, optimizing for the right viewers, of course, we're already doing that. This is how you do it step by step. All right. Remember, step 1, you have to get your ICP and pain points dialed in first, because everything, content ideation, everything happens after that. Right. So you've dialed in your ICP. Now you start with a content idea. Again, the content idea is literally just taking the ICP's pain point and flipping it into a content idea. Content idea and title are not the same thing, right? They're 2 different things. The title then is formed from the content idea. So your idea could be how to help people lose weight, right? That's not a good title. It would be how to lose weight in your 50s in 5 simple steps, or something like that, right? You want to turn the idea into a clickable title. And that there's a whole bunch of stuff that goes into that, but that is step number 2. Then you want to craft an addicting hook. If you go to the beginning of this video, I put together all the hooks to make sure you watch the whole video, to make sure you know what you're getting when you clicked on. 4 is give value and proof. I'm going to get back to that in a second. 5 is call to actions throughout the video. Like I said, I have a free school community, I have a free roadmap call, I have so many free resources for you to start getting clients through YouTube. It's insane. I'm going to make call to actions throughout the video because not only does it help me, it helps you as well. And then finally, smooth transition to the next video, which you'll see at the end of the video. I always make a call to action to watch my next video, just a natural transition to turn one view into 2. All right, now giving value and proof. This is why I love YouTube. Not everyone could do this. Not everyone could sit here for 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes and record a video on valuable stuff, right? YouTube is the way to go because if you're actually good at what you do, and I really hope you are, you have value to give to the world through YouTube, and it's the best way to communicate that, all right? Giving value on YouTube and showing proof on YouTube is why I'm on YouTube, because not everyone can accomplish this. I want to be getting leads where people cannot compete with me, all right? And YouTube is one of those places. Not everyone could come on here and just give value. Not everyone could come on here and have social proof. Like I have dozens of testimonials, and I actually have client interviews on my channel that you can go watch. They should pop up here. You could see myself and my clients sitting down on a YouTube video and talking, all right? So giving value and proof is huge in videos. Otherwise, don't really give a reason for people to trust what you're saying in your videos, okay? Next step, number 4, is the mentality win. This is also super important. You have to have a strong mental attitude towards YouTube because one video will quite literally change your life. It happened for me. I got connected to multimillionaires in the business space through one video. I made tens of thousands of dollars through a series of videos, guys. It's crazy what you could do if you enable all this stuff before, right? For example, if painless posting, step number 2, is not enabled, I can't post consistently, and I can never really hit that one video that takes off, all right? The more consistent you are, the more your luck increases, all right? The probability of you getting lucky increases with the amount that you post and the amount that you actually try, all right? 2, leads coming to you are easier than you outreaching to leads, all right? For example, you're probably used to the dynamic of doing cold outreach, and you're asking people for their time. Now imagine a reality where they're asking for you time. Like they're asking to talk to you and be sold on your product, all right? It's an amazing feeling, guys. You become desired. You become the person that people come to instead of you reaching out to people, all right? You have the status. 3, a YouTube channel will pay forever, even in the age of AI. I don't think personal brands are going anywhere. YouTube will literally, if you post a good video, it could grow for years and make you money literally 5 years from now, which is insane. Only social platform that could do it. And again, the harder it is, that's where I want to be. The harder it is, the less competition there is, and we could dominate in this space. If you're good at what you do, and you have clients, you have to be on YouTube, guys. Again, free roadmap call down below so I can show you exactly how these strategies work, because you have to be here to prove you are actually good at what you do, and you can just wipe out all the other fluff in your market. Trust me. All right, finally, the final step is free resources, guys. So this is what we went through. You understand the math on how to hit your goals. You define your ICP and you're getting high quality views. You're enabling painless posting. You should post. When you post, you can post good videos that actually convert. You build the mentality to win. And then you take advantage of these free resources. Again, I have a roadmap call. It's not a sales call. Literally, it's not a sales call. You'll drop your channel link in there. I will give you a complete roadmap on how you can hit your goals. And then 2, if you don't have the time for that, you can join our school community. There's a few hundred people in there. We're always winning together on YouTube. You could actually get results with our free information that's in there. Highly recommend you take advantage of it. And if you're paying attention, I told you this earlier, go watch my next video. It'll be right here or right here. How I made $7,100 in 5 days through my small YouTube channel. That's all I have for you guys. I will see you on the roadmap call, or I will see you at the next video. Take care.